Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove or replace this Hyundai Grand i10 both sides rear light assembly and its bulbs. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe. So take a plus screwdriver. Here I will make use of my drill. So take the screwdriver and take out these two screws. So here I have taken out my both screws. Once you take out these both screws comes the main part, and that is to pull this light assembly out. Now to pull this out, you will have to pull it behind. First you will feel it is very difficult, but you will have to use a lot of force to pull it behind, and once you pull it with good amount of force, your tail light will come out easily like this. Now I will show you how to disconnect the bulb holders. So twist the bulb holders like this and separate it from the light assembly. Like this you will have to do for all three of the bulb holders. Now your tail light assembly is totally separated from the car. Now if you want, you can replace it with new one. Now I will show you on the other side. So the same thing you will have to repeat. Take out these two screws. Once you take out these two screws, pull the tail assembly from behind, and once it comes out, twist the bulb holders and separate it from the assembly. So here my other tail light is also separated from the car. Now I will show you how to replace the bulbs. So this is the side light bulb. You will have to push the bulb inside like this and then twist it and then take it out. Once you take it out, bring the new bulb, push it inside and twist it. In the same way you will have to take out this bulb as well, and to put it back you will have to push it and twist it. But this last bulb you should not be pressing and twisting. You can just pull it and it will come out easily like this, and while putting it back you just have to press it. So I'm hoping that you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is RysFix signing out until we meet again.